Okay, so as of recording this right now, this is 2 days until National Ceiling Fan Day, and I got diddly squat done. So this here is a second Halsey builder, just generic 4-blader. I do have the stencil facing down, which is in condition because it was facing up when I got it. The blade arms are original. These were not snapped on this one. And it wasn't a puddle of water when I got it, but it dried out pretty nicely. Let's get started here. So the fan uses a 172 by like 12 or 13 motor. Kind of thin, but still wide. The blades were really out of balance on this one, by weight that is. There's about 18 cents a pennies up there. So, yeah. It's costing me. This here's low. Kind of hummy. 30 watts. 28, 29. But yeah, it is kind of buzzy. Let's go to medium. It's a good medium speed. Reasonable performance. About 48.5 watts. All right, let's go to high. Doing pretty good on high here. Nice strong breeze. Even for a builder fan. 78 watts, we'll say. A little bit high on the 77. But solid performer. No bearing noise, just some motor whirl. But yeah, that's pretty impressive for a builder. Yeah, it's not the first one I found. I was just chucked at a dumpster. But this one was actually not all banged up, but was in a puddle of water. Or it rained the previous night. So be it, but it dried out nice. And the bearings are in very good condition. As you can see, this is probably going to go on for quite some time. However, I don't think we're going to go through it, but just know that these bearings are pristine. Just want to thank you all for watching, and happy National Ceiling Fan Day coming up. Take care.